Hello everyone, ja będę here. In today's video I will show an interesting lock coming from Hungary, Elzett M, because that is the name of this model. It's a magnetic lock, which the locking mechanism is 6 magnetic rotors arranged on the both sides of the core. So on each side of the core we have 3 rotors that interact with the sidebar, and when we insert the right key, the rotors align in such a way that the sidebar can enter the groove and we can turn the core. That's how it looks like. To pick this lock, I will use a magnetic pick, which I made by gluing a small neodymium magnet. Using a marker, I marked on both sides of the pick the depth of the placement of the rotors. To pick the magnetic locks, it may be useful to use a microphone so that you can hear the characteristic rattling of the rotors when they are correctly set. I used an acoustic guitar microphone along with the small portable speaker. Alright, so let's see the guts. Good. Scene here is gutted Elzett M. Let's start with the core. Under this cover on each side are magnetic rotors. I'm going to put the key now and you will see how it works. And on the other side, just like that. When the correctly coded key is in, then the rotors align in such a way that the sidebar can go into this groove and the lock will be open. Now I'm going to put in a pick and you will see how each rotor should be attempted to be set. Something like that. I have to mention 2 more pins that are inside. As you can see, in the housing we have 2 chambers on the back. The pin that is on the back of the core, here it is to set the core to the center position. As a key pins there is 2 ball bearings. This ball bearing from the second pin is placed here, and the core is centered, while the pin closer to the keyway is the pin that you need to set to start working on the rotors with When the spin is set, the core will gently rotate and you can try to pick rotors. Okay, I will show you a sidebar. Nothing fancy, just a piece of brass, I think. Each sidebar has two springs, and I will show you how it works when the key is in. Alright, as you can see, sidebar is not in the groove, not all, but now when I insert the key, sidebar was hide into the groove and the lock can be open. Alright, so that will be all from the guts. Let's pick this lock. Okay, Elzett magnetic clockwise tension ball bearing at the beginning. Okay, and let's try. Okay, we have open. So let's get this lock. C-clip. Okay, follower. Okay, ball bearing. One sidebar. And springs. Second sidebar. Springs. Here we have the rotors on the core. Now this second ball bearing with pin, and here a long pin. With this spring and spring number 2. Okay, as you can see, all internals are outside of the lock. So that will be all from the Elzett magnetic lock. If you have any questions, please leave in comment or find me on Discord. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.